Senzi is a progressive, young and bespoke hair education brand. Based in London and launched in Tokyo in 2017, we have traveled over 30 countries around the world, sharing our vision and knowledge.
Moving away from traditional education, we don't only focus on technique, but also understanding the importance of cultural references and new ideas and how to merge those into your work.
We now welcome you to Senzi Sessions, an ever-growing online community for hair and culture.
Senzi Sessions is an online hairbuster platform to keep you inspired, where we constantly create new ideas and have an openness to experimenting with new creative work patterns.
So please, beautiful humans, grab as many elements as you wish and translate them into your day-to-day work and stay inspired. Online education does not replace hands-on education, so we really hope to see you in one of our courses around the world. Thank you so much.